pin it, and take the pin out, you just want to do the best you can getting it straight, using a straight stitch, center needle, 2.5 stitch length. I'm going to remove that first pin and make sure it's in the center. See how I don't have a lot of ruffles at the beginning? That's fine because this is the selvage anyway. That's going to get cut off. You know, a little later on you can have some ruffles, but they don't have to be a lot right at the very beginning. So you just start sewing, and then once you get started to sew, you want to just sort of make your ruffles lay flat, and you can just take both hands, make sure you're in the center, take both hands and just pull them apart a little bit and let it sew. Now, you're probably not going to be able to stitch exactly, precisely on the previous line. Don't worry about that. When people look at your quilt, they're going to look at how pretty it is, they're going to look at all the colors, they're going to look at, there's a lot going on. There's so many designs that nobody's going to notice that you have 2 threads that are going in completely different spaces in parts of it. Some of it is perfect, some of it's not. Do not take a lot of time worrying about that. All right, so sew your gathers down, sew your ruffles down. You can see that I have already done that on 4 of my pieces. So I have, these are all done. 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. So I have these 4 done. I have these 4, the one in the machine, plus these 3 yet to do. I'm going to stitch those. My backs are already pressed. I have my batting cut, and that is all I need for next class, which is Saturday, and that is it. So hopefully that'll help you have all the answers of what you need to prep. Something that will be very helpful to you is if you show up with your serger ready for 4 thread with 4 spools of normal thread that's light in color, your left needle in, your right needle in, and your stitch finger back in, and set up for standard sewing. So I look forward to seeing you on Saturday.